Hi, my name is Cole Meyer. When applying for the Dairy Project Award, I was a 9-year member of the Happy Workers 4-H Club. I live on a small farm north of Hanover, Kansas, with my parents Daniel and Doris Meyer. I believe that I am a good candidate for this award because being the youngest child and all of our years in the 4-H program, I have watched my parents and siblings' involvement in dairy, and I have a strong passion for dairy animals and the dairy industry. My success in dairy comes from the ability to gain knowledge and my determination to have a positive outcome. I am continuously exploring ways to improve my family's dairy through the care that is given to the animals, such as the nutrition and daily care. I have read many articles about the cow-calf care. Then I even watched a few videos touring dairy farms and examined the way that they have their setup. Within the Dairy Project, I have found several ways to provide leadership. This year I leased 2 of my animals to my cousins. By doing this, it was my responsibility to teach them everything that I knew. I taught them how to train their animal, to walk and set up correctly when showing, and how to groom and to have proper care for their dairy animal. I knew that when we went to a show that they would need to know about judging dairy animals, so I practiced quiz bowl questions with them, and I also taught them how to judge animals so they knew the knowledge of the dairy field. I gained positive confidence in myself being able to teach another person the skills that I enjoy most. I was also the junior dairy project leader for my club. At this position, whether it's for the club or any dairy show, I tried to make sure that I was able to help anyone with their dairy animal and to pass along information that may be helpful to them. When I get to go to the dairy shows or even just talk about dairy, I want people to see the enthusiasm that I have for the project. Dairy is more than a learning experience for me. I am able to talk to many people and communicate with the problems and solutions in dairy. Many people have interesting stories, and I have learned by listening. I am searching for a career path. The dairy industry is huge and has many opportunities. Some of my personal goals include the commitment and dedication that is involved in taking care of dairy cows and calves. I know that I have to work hard at keeping the operation running smoothly and accept any challenges that may happen, such as the problems that we had this past year with illness. I had to search to find solutions to make the animals better and improve their health. Each day is always something different that might happen, so you always need to be ready for a challenge. As a sophomore now in high school, I know that I am soon going to need to know a direction for my future. By my involvement within the Dairy Project, I have interest in the genetics behind dairy animals and also like to read about the better health solutions. Sometimes I enjoy the engineering part about improving a milk parlor or other parts of the dairy operations. There are many opportunities out there in the dairy field. I know my interest in agriculture is high, and I want to look forward to the area for my future plans. In conclusion, I would like to introduce you to the newest member of my herd. This is Louie. She was born about a week ago. When I look at her, I am positive that I have success in my dairy operation, and the herd is growing. Also, I know that there is a future in dairy and in the dairy industry. Thank you for taking time to listen to my interview. It is an honor to be a finalist for the 4-H Dairy Project Award, and I hope that you will consider me for this award.